We did one experiment in which we just wanted to see how careful people read the instructions.
Okay.
So we did a test, and this was like a personality test. We asked people to, what's your attitude toward X, and how easily you get offended, all kinds of things like that. And we looked for the variance. So we had the same questions in multiple places, and we wanted to see if people answer in the same way. And we had it on an iPad or on a piece of paper. Okay. And then on top of that, we had something that we call an attentional filter. An attentional filter is a question we sometimes put in surveys online. And it asks you a question. It says, consumer usually do this. What is your attitude? And then we have some scales. But at the end of the question, we write, by the way, many people don't read the questions very carefully. So if you read this up to here, please don't answer any of the scales below, and just write in the field that says other, write continue, or something like that. Yeah. So this is a test of whether people actually read the instruction or not.
Okay.
And what we find is that in the physical version, people paid more attention, they read it slower, they were more consistent, and they passed more the attentional filter. Now, this is not online shopping, but I suspect that in an online we have a much more fast tendency. We do things faster, we don't worry about going back, we don't read very carefully. And if this is correct in shopping environment as well, it would mean that all the psychological shortcuts that we know will actually be more effective or more powerful in online the environment. Because if you think about something carefully, you slow down and so on, maybe you would behave differently. If you're doing something very quickly, that could actually, that's right, to process, you rely more on your intuitive system and you rely more on your intuitions. So I think that's the only time we contrasted things directly. Of course, we've done lots of experiments online.